Hi, I'm dear friends, this is FILMORA, and I want to do today the animation. I want to make the sun, this sun, I'm drag and dropping it into timeline, to scroll behind this tree. So let us change its size to do it smaller, just like that. And I want it to scroll behind this palm. Okay, let's go firstly to our timeline and let's change the duration of our next video. Let it be something like 23 seconds. We have to do all the frames to be the same duration. Okay, and let's go to our sun frame. I did double left click over the image, and in this list of basic properties I am looking for position. Let's choose our first keyframe, and then let's say that at the very end of our clip the sun will be here. So let's see now, what do I have? The sun is moving, scrolling, but it's not behind the palm. So what I will do, I did it in Photoshop, but you can do in any other drawing program. I cut out this palm, and now I have exactly the same palm, and I drag and drop the PNG image with this palm over all the images. The main thing is it to be over the image with our sun. So right now it's before us, our palm, and let's see, the sun is behind the palm. So I think it works. Thank you. Have a nice day.